Hey guys, Rhett here, down here in Birmingham, even rocking my new Birmingham hat, pretty fired up. Guys, down here at a client's property under contract. It's a 3-bedroom home. We have it under contract right now for $60,000. Come on in, I wanna show you what needs to be done and what we're planning on doing. So guys, first thing you notice when you walk in the house, really strong odor, mildew, mold, just really kind of gross. Tons of stains on the carpet in here. First thing we need to do in here, guys, we got to go through and do this whole thing. So we're going to rip up the carpets in this entire house. We are going to put all new carpeting down through the house. Close this door. So everything in here, guys, needs to be updated. It needs to be ready for a tenant. So behind you here, one of the issues that will fail a Section 8 inspection for, no question, is if you can see daylight, okay, through this door, that's an automatic failure, okay? And that's a big problem. So what we have to do, we gotta reframe this door, or we have to take weather stripping and put it in the right way. Now, I always like to reframe it and do things the right way. In here, guys, every single window in here is painted shut, okay? Again, that's not gonna pass Section 8. So we need to fix all these windows. A lot of these windows also have been nailed shut. So this is kind of common, guys, unfortunately. But what happens is they'll nail the windows or screw bolts above the windows so you can't pick them up, okay? Something that basically makes the window completely inoperable. A lot of times that damages the exterior supports of the window, and depending on, sometimes people put the screws in too far and it cuts the cords of the weights in the walls that actually lever the window. It's usually a disaster. So a lot of window work needs to be done on these as well. So guys, we're gonna paint this entire unit, okay? Again, in here, we used to have original hardwoods. Someone painted over those original hardwoods. Now we are gonna carpet over the paint over the original hardwoods. So really just, you know, you take a home and you kind of ruin it. It really is sad. So something else to notice here, guys, and this is something that, you know, we just pick up on, but every outlet in here looks new. So you look at these outlets, all these outlets are fairly new. The face plates are fairly new. Every outlet in here looks good. The problem with these outlets is that they're 3-prong outlets. In order to have a 3-prong outlet, you need to have a ground. So under the house, there's usually a stake in the ground and wires that hit every single outlet. They stake the ground. It's called a ground, which equals out electricity. It's a safer way to have outlets. So the electricity, the way it's conducted, is a lot safer. So with that being said, none of these outlets are grounded, okay? Meaning all of these are unsafe. They could take too much power than the actual home can support electrically, okay? So we need to take all these outlets out, put all new 2-prong outlets in, or ground some outlets, which is a bigger job. We like to swap them out with 2-prong, that way we don't have to reground the entire house, put all new plates on everything, and take care of everything like that, okay? So guys, working into this room here, okay, this is our kitchen. The problem with the kitchen is we don't have any cabinets, okay? We need all new cabinets in here. The countertops are fine. There's mold covering a lot of this in here. We need to either replace this or pull it up and clean it. The floor in here is a laminate flooring. It feels okay. There aren't any significant gaps or anything like that make me think that we're gonna have to remove it. But again, all the outlets need to be replaced in here. This entire room is pretty nasty as far as paint's concerned. There is a coating on the floor. We might end up replacing this floor, but we'll see kind of once we get in the weeds, okay? Guys, back of the room, back of the home, through here, we have our laundry room. And guys, this is a great laundry room, okay? Really spacious. We have a newer water heater right here. all new connections for a washing machine with new PEX piping that has been upgraded somewhat recently, which is always nice. We have exposed electrical here that we'll have to take care of. This home needs some pretty significant electrical work that we're going to take care of. Okay. There is peel and stick in here. This flooring in here is no good. Okay, this is peel and stick and a combination of, there's some peel and stick in here, and there's also some vinyl over there. So guys, this is the panel. Now the electrical panel looks really good. We're gonna have to take it apart. We looked back there a little bit. It doesn't look that good. And one thing about these panels is, as soon as you unscrew them, you see what the real wiring looks like. You can go to Home Depot and buy a panel like this for 80, 90 bucks. Put it on, make it look really good. But really what matters is the wiring behind the panel, okay? This also needs a new door. Okay guys, no, there's no door handle there. So guys, here we enter bedroom number one. So bedroom number one's kind of cool because we have an exterior exit. It's got its own area off the back of the house, okay? And then it has instant access to the laundry room. It's got access to the kitchen, all right? Now, bedroom number one needs all new paint. It needs all new carpeting. We'll touch up all the trim work in here, change all the outlets in this room as well, and change the doors, okay? Pretty straightforward. Bedroom number two. Same thing, all new carpets in here, guys. We'll clean up these doors. You can see kind of what we have going on here with all this paint. All right, we're gonna repaint this entire house, especially in here. Guys, one thing I forgot to mention, come back into bedroom number one, okay? There's no closet in bedroom number one, okay? So we need to construct a closet right here, okay? Bedroom number one does not have a closet. Bedroom number two does have a closet. Even in here, guys, all this trim work needs to be redone. We have to see if we gotta redo this frame. We might end up just painting it if we can, but we might have to replace the door, okay? Entering our hallway, guys, which actually leads off of our formal dining room. We have our bathroom in here, okay? Bathroom actually looks really good. Problem with the bathroom is there's no operating window, okay? Now, if we don't have an operational window, we need to put a vent. There needs to be a vent. There needs to be some kind of circulation, guys, in all bathrooms, whether it is an open window or an egress, and if not, it needs to have a source of ventilation. So we're gonna have to put a vent in here as well, okay? Guys, entering bedroom number three. Again, we have some window issues, okay? We're gonna have to redo a lot of this. This has all been fixed up. Instead of replacing the window the right way, someone just took a piece of wood and nailed it in, okay guys? So we gotta do that in here. Something else too, and whoever was living in this home prior, this was their closet. Now, this, oh my goodness. I almost just went through the floor. That is not good. Holy cow. Okay, so this was the closet, okay? This will not be a suitable closet. So what we'll do is we'll actually build a closet right here to make this a viable 3-bedroom home, okay? So these bedrooms need a little work, but this kind of whole house, guys, just, it needs a little bit of everything. We need to do some pretty significant work when it comes to electrical. We need to do a ton of cosmetic work. We need to do, the roof looks good, the HVAC unit looks pretty good. So we're in good shape when it comes to that. But it just needs a lot of everything, and it's a good sized house. I love the layout. It is fantastic. So I think our client is going to be really, really happy with this property. I think we can get somewhere in the ballpark of between $1,150 and $1,350 a month for this. Probably prime would be right around $1,200 a month. So I think it's really good, guys, and I really like it. I think the client's going to be happy, and I think, you know, the tenant's going to be extremely happy too. So guys, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.